That's for sure.
That's for sure.
That's for sure, Harold.
It's been interesting, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's for sure what I would have done.
It's pretty rough stuff out there, that's for sure.
Never do it again, that's for sure.
It's a fucking shit show, huh? Yeah, that's for sure.
That won't smell too good, that's for sure.
Well, you beta boys do keep me busy, that's for sure.
Yeah, man needs a good map, that's for sure. Sure.
I never thought about singing. That's for sure.
Yeah, we're interested in what's going on, that's for sure.
You pissed somebody off, that's for sure.
I'm very happy to meet you too, that's for sure.
Well, Doc would have been real proud of you, that's for sure.
Where is he? In fucking air, that's for sure.
What do you do?
Whatever I have to.
Yeah, well, it's tough making a living, that's for sure.
I'll tell you one thing that's going to change. You're going to be bigger and tougher than your old man. That's for sure.
No way.
Yes, way.
And let's face it, honey. You're no longer. And you twitch a lot. It's kind of irritating. That's for sure the best piece of ass you'll ever get.